What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. We had a very, very beautiful day. I was able to go short and long today and really profit on both sides, guys. Really, really nice plays today. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step and get you ready for tomorrow. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, who do we have in the building? Let me show my love. Otis, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Hell Shot, Lead Farmer. What's going on, brother? Todd, Trading Wars Army. Mike, Trading Wars Army. Jeff, what's going on? JB, Duzo, Box Truck, what's going on? Ain, STK, Trading Wars Army. J-Dog, Gus, Pete, Nithin, Trading Wars Army. Ramon, Trading Wars Army. Andy, Nirav. Ooh, we got a lot of people in the building today. All right. Okay, first thing, let's go ahead and just retweet this out. Let's let everybody know that we're live. You guys doing all right today? Hit me with a 1 if you're doing all right. So let's go right here. Live now. Let's learn and earn. Oops, what the hell did I just do? Learn and earn with the fits. Boom. All right. Okay, so let's hit the replay and let me walk you through all of my trades today. So the first thing that we have to do, as always, my friends, is draw the previous day's high and low. That's always going to be important. So here's our high. So I'm going to put this in yellow, and our low is down here. Okay. The other thing that we need to draw on this chart is our triggers. So I'm going to go ahead to our trigger trades right here. So our triggers are basically our line in the sand where we play for long and short plays. Okay. So our long entry was 380.91. So just update that there. I'll put that in green. And our short level was 374.59. So I'm going to go and draw that. 374.59. We'll make this in red. Okay, so this is how I like to structure my chart every day. When I come to the market, I want to have my high and my low, and I also want to have my trigger to the downside and my trigger to the upside. This gives me a very clear picture of where we are. So like if we open up here, that's a potential bullish play. If we open down here, that's a bearish play. If we open in the middle, it's kind of in no man's land. So hit me with a 1 if you follow me. So that's the preparation we do before the open. We have everything prepared. Okay, guys, good with that? Hit me with a 1. So the other thing that we do is when this chart is live, you see this dotted yellow line. This dotted yellow line is basically the pre-open, right? So it's the pre-market open. So before the charts we actually go live, you'll see the yellow line. You'll see it like somewhere on the chart. So today the yellow line was near the middle. So because it was near the middle, I was a little bit nervous about taking a play right away. But you'll see the first 3-minute candle, guys, it was a powerful one and it broke our red line, which is our short entry. So let me zoom in. Okay. So let me go to my live commentary and I'll walk you through exactly what we did today. So we went short at 932. So like I said here, our short level was 374.59. Okay. And we went short basically within the first minute. And then the 2 targets I had, I'll show you. So I had a target at 374.20, which was right here. And I had another target at the previous day's low. So I was looking right here, guys, to flush from this red line and eventually get to this yellow line. And you can see in the next candle, it chopped a little bit, but there we finally got that clean flush. So a little bit of a chop, but we got there. So I was really patient today because, it's a short week. And in a short week, we could be a little bit back and forth. So you could see here, first target hit, send the red, SPY stop the chop. Let's go. Scale out some more into new lows. And then when we got to the second target, I went to break even. And I said, I have some runners left, short only. I want to flush through yesterday's low. Boom. Big winner here, guys. Love my team who's banking with me. So caught that both. And then after that, we popped right back up. So that's the importance of taking targets. Always take your targets. And you with the market, you can consistently make good gains every day, but you got to be willing to take profits, especially at the open. You have to be willing to do that. Okay. So hit me with a 5 if you understand that first trade that I took right there. And then now we're going to get into the topic of the video, which is the best Fibonacci to trade. So I'm going to show you about how we actually got a big home run play right after this. All right. So we got a massive home run play. So I'm going to switch over to the 5-minute chart. and we're going to go from here. So the first thing we had today was this push down, right? So we had this push down. Okay, so we can clearly see that, right? We have an easy push down. So the first fib on the day is taking it from this high to the low. And then you could see we came right into the golden zone on this first leg right here. It's your 50 to your 786. And you could see, let me make this in yellow. So you could see that the algorithm rejected right on the 50 and it took it down. So that was actually the first morning leg, and it was very fast. We came right into the golden zone. Let me go to the 1 minute chart so you can see that, right? So you see how beautiful this is, guys? When you come into the golden zone, look at this beautiful inverted hammer on the 1 minute. You could see it so clearly. It's absolutely stunning. So we push down. The algorithm is waiting for a 50% deal. So the algorithm gets a 50% deal, then buying here at the bottom, and then they take it back down, right? So that was the first Fibonacci leg of the day, and we made a new low. So remember, the whole purpose of this algorithm, it's trying to get in on the pullback, take it down, and make a new low. It doesn't have to make a new low, but usually when it makes a new low, it's gonna like cover most of the position because the risk to reward. So let's just say the algorithm is risking this bar, you're risking 1 bar to make 3 bars here. See that? So this is a very profitable trade. Okay, so that's your first morning leg, trade to the completion. And then remember, I created this 10% extension here, right? So the 10% is a custom level that I've created. So the 10%, guys, you could see we start getting a reaction in that zone. You see that? So there, you can clearly see here, guys, that the algorithm is pretty much taking it to the retracement and then covering at the extension. And look at this beautiful, on the 272, guys, to the penny. You see that? Look at that, 272. Hit me with a 4 if that's beautiful. That's awesome. And even on the 272, if you waited for a candlestick confirmation, you got a nice little inside bar. So it was really, really nice, clean price action right right off the bat. We came back to the 50, we traded to the extension, and then the algorithm was satisfied, and then we started popping up. And something you need to notice here, guys, is what about this? What pattern is this? What pattern is this for us in Trading Wars? What pattern is this one right here? Who knows? Let's see who's been paying attention. What pattern is this and this? These are the same patterns. What is that? Is that the Holy Grail? Is that the Nirvana? What pattern is that? Is that an inside bar, outside bar? What do you guys think? Right? So this is why I built these free indicators right here. Free indicators. Let me go link that right now. This is why I built these free indicators, guys, because it's my purpose to help the community. Look at this. We had a Holy Grail. So the Holy Grail is an outside, inside. And we had it here. It took it down to the 272. And then from here, guys, look at this. The algorithm took it on the 272 back up. So we had two beautiful, 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 beautiful Holy Grail plays. And that Holy Grail took you all the way back up, guys. So that's what we call candlestick confirmation on the Fibonacci level. That's what we call candlestick confirmation on the Fibonacci level. But that, my friends, was not our best play of the day. Well, I'm going to show you what it was. So the first thing here is in the Fibonacci live setups. And I want to really focus on here because this is how Trading Wars is different. Is everybody will draw the fib after the fact, and then they will say, hey, you know what? I did this and this with the fib. But you could see here, guys, from the morning. So this is from 9:43 a.m. We are drawing the fibs. So that short that we saw right there, we were drawing it right here. You see that? We're drawing it in real time. In real time, before we get there, here's the outside bar going into the 50. You see it? We're going step by step. And then over here, this was the afternoon leg, which gets us to the topic of the video. Okay, this is the afternoon leg, which got us to the topic of the video right here. Check this out now, okay? So our afternoon leg is coming right around 11. So you could see that the bull algorithm right here took us back up. So this is why we went ahead and took the Fibonacci from the low to the high. And this brings us to the topic of the video. What is the most powerful Fibonacci level? What do you guys think? What do you guys think is the most powerful Fibonacci level? So first of all, we know it's in the golden zone, right? But if I was to tell you to pick one of them, which one would you pick? All right, so let's take a vote. If you would do the 50, hit me with a 1. If you would do the 618, hit me with a 2. And if you would do the 786, hit me with a 3. Okay? So if you had to pick one, which you don't have to, but I'm just trying to show you guys the power of some of these things. Which one would you pick? So 1 for the 50, 2 for the 618, 3 for the 786. Okay. And I'm going to give you a little teaser here. It all comes back to the risk to reward. So in terms of the golden zone, the best Fibonacci that's going to make you the most money is the 786. Why? Because the 786 Fibonacci, guys, is the closest to the swing low. So you right here, guys. So look, there's your entry and there's your stop out right there. So you don't have to risk much. You can risk maybe 5-10% on options. You risk minimal here. Okay. You risk minimal on the 786. On the 50, it's so much further away from your swing low that sometimes it's the risk reward is not the best, and the 618 is right in the middle. So the 618 is like it's like the middle ground. But so we called out this 786, guys, in the opposing leg right here. So we called that out right there as we came in here, guys. And check this out from here, my friends. Boom. Okay, looks a little bit scary there. Looks a little bit scary. Okay, yeah, it feels a little bit scary, but you know you have a good risk to reward. Your protective stop is down here, and then we hang around here. We build up the you see, this is the algorithm building up, building up, building up, building up. The algorithm is building momentum, and then at the end of the pattern, we have a Ragnarok, inside, outside, inside. So today was really nice because the Fibonacci and the candlestick patterns lined up together, and then from there, guys, check this out. Boom, 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 boom. That's all she wrote today, guys. Took it all the way back up today. And there were a bunch of people in the room that played 0 days to expiry, and they absolutely crushed that. And here's the funny thing. Don't forget about that green line. Remember that green line? Don't forget about that green line. The green line was the entry to the long side. So some of my traders, they just automate these trades. So going into the close in the last half an hour, they took that green line back to the yellow line. And that's a nice little way to just close off the day as well, right? So that's beautiful, guys. So that's beautiful. I just really wanted to show you that because I don't want you to do this. I don't want you to buy calls up here. I don't want you to buy calls up here, on these breakouts. I don't want you to do all of these things. I don't want you to flag this, that. I don't want you to do that. I want you to buy it down here. I want you to use the indicators. I want you to say, hey, I have a holy grail. I'm going to try that. I'm going to risk 1 bar. And what did I make? I'm going to risk 1 bar to make 10 bars. I'm going to take this Ragnarok on the 786. I want you to trade like that because look, this trade for this week, so this trade off of the 786 will pay for your whole week. Your whole week. You could lose every single trade after this and still make money. Let me explain how. So for example, let's say you took this fib here and you held it into the close. So let me just show you what I mean from a numbers perspective. So let's say right here, you took that 786, you put your stop loss at the low, and you took it straight into the close. So that is 10 times your money. Write this down on a piece of paper. This is the most important thing that I can tell you. Write this down on a piece of paper right now. Hit me with a 2 when you're done. Write it down. So that play today was 10 times your money. Okay. How many more trades can you lose after this to break even? How many trades now do you have leeway for the rest of the week? How many trades do you have? How many trades can you lose and still be break even? What do you guys think? And this gets me motivated because this is trading. This is reality. You can lose 10 more trades after this and still be break even as long as you keep the position size the same. You can lose the next 10 trades. These are the type of trades. This is why I teach you the Fibonacci. These are the type of trades that are going to make your week. Okay? You good? Hit me with a 5 if you're good. And that's why I love the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci, it's built in risk management. It's built into the Fib. You don't need to do anything. It's all there because you're buying a pullback. When you buy a flag, when you buy a wedge, when you buy a WAP, when you buy a flow, where does the stop loss go? Where does it go? Nobody knows, right? But what they do is this is what the general explanation is. If it doesn't work, get out. Hit me with a 1 if you've heard that before. All the other strategies that I've heard about, this is the answer. If it doesn't work, get out. Does that actually make sense to you? When we're doing a Fibonacci here, we have a mathematical system. We get in at 78.6, 0.5, and 0.618. Those are percentages. We get in on those percentages and we have a stop loss at the swing low or the swing high for protection. It is what it is in the end. And it's very important for me to get that message out, because I'll tell you, the one time you don't have a stop loss because you're trading something that doesn't tell you where to put the stop loss is the time you blow up your account. And when you blow up your account, the game is over. Because just like me, when I started in this game, we had capital, and that's all the capital we had. We put everything we had into the markets with the dream, and that's it. We didn't have an iron bank. Okay. All right. Hit me with 11 if that all makes sense. Does that make sense to you, my friends? Hit me with an 11. All right, let's move on. All right, so just a quick update here. I'm going to just duplicate this. So you guys know that I was in the Russell short and I was in the NQ long. So today I got stopped out for break even on my Russell play. This was more of a hedge. I took it on this outside bar, so I got stopped out. But the good news is my NQ play, this yellow line is my entry, and I put it to break even, and thankfully the Fibonacci saved my life. So if I draw the Fibonacci on this last leg, low to high, right there, so you see my stop loss, my entry was below the 786 so I was comfortable having it at break even. I got in over here and I was comfortable having it at break even because it was below the 786. So the golden zone stepped in on the daily chart today for the NQ, and it protected us so far. Okay. So I'm still in there right now, guys. And let's see, man. Let's see. I have a chance here. I have a chance to maybe catch the bottom of the stock market, guys. I have a chance. And that's all we can ask for as traders, is to have a chance. I have a risk-free trade with a futures contract, and maybe I caught the bottom of the stock market. And if I did, and we get back to all-time highs within a year or 2 years, guys, I'm going to make a lot of money. Okay. So that's that. All right. I just want to talk about my Trading Wars bundle deal first. Thank you, everybody who signed up for this. There's been a lot of support, and a lot of people, I guess, they want to train with me one-on-one. So I'm very flattered, and I thank you so much for your support. So we're doing the 4th of July sale, and I'm extending it until the end of this week, because a lot of people told me that they didn't have the funds available. So this sale will go until this Sunday. So let me explain what comes with the bundle. So you get 4 months in the Trading Wars VIP room. So you could do the SPY or the stock room. That's $200 right there. You get all 3 of my trading books. That's $300. You get 2 seminars, one that teaches about SPY only, so options, futures, and shares. It's a recording that I did at the beginning of the year. And then I did my stock seminar, which talks about automated stock trades. So you have both of those there, value at $300 each. Full access to the live Fibonacci trading room and Lotto Friday options in the Discord. 100 trade challenge Excel spreadsheet right here. This is a requirement that if you're going to do this challenge, I need you to complete 100 trades using this tracker so we can discuss. You have lifetime access to all my indicators and my scanners, and you get 30 minutes with me, guys. So if you want me to sit down with you and teach you the fib step by step, if you're having problems with whatever and you want to talk to me, guys, this is your chance. Okay, this is your chance. And I don't normally do one-on-ones, but I decided so much people have been asking me, I'm gonna bring it out and offer it at a good price. Okay, so check this out, guys. If you're interested, hit me with a 6 if you like the bundle deal. Hit me with a 6. All right. So this is gonna go until the end of the week, and I highly encourage you guys. This is what I thought in my head would be everything that a trader would need. You have the 3 books, you have the indicators, you have the 100 trade challenge Excel spreadsheet, you have access to the room, and you just do your 100 trades, right? But you don't need to you don't need to risk real money. You could do paper trading and just like build yourself up slowly, build yourself up. Okay, that's what I want you to do. If you're already a good trader and you want to take it to the next level, then you can do something like this as well with real money. But I definitely recommend starting off with paper. All right. All right, so let's continue right here. So the next thing that I wanted to do here is I just want to talk about some scans. Okay, hit me with a 7 if you're okay to move on to some scans. You guys good? We've been here for 20 minutes, so I don't really like taking more than 20 minutes because I know everybody's has stuff to do. But let me do this quickly. Let's scan for the blue raindrop. Okay, so I'm looking here for some hot picks going into tomorrow. So Coca-Cola. Don't sleep on this name, guys. Coca-Cola has made us a lot of money. We have a very big bodied blue raindrop going into tomorrow. So that's going to be on my list. What else we have? Oxy. Oxy used to be a big runner back in the day, last year basically. And it's still looking pretty solid here. So we have a nice outside bar, yes, on Friday, and we have a nice tight blue raindrop similar to this right here that had a nice pop. So let's keep an eye on that as well. Moderna is always a good one to play, but Moderna's been in this range for a while, so potential here to just pop out of that range tomorrow. So let's keep that on the list. Let's go ahead and look for some holy grails here. Yep. Yep. We do have an outside bar on SPY. Yep. That's right. I'm going to be posting a swing trade in the Discord right after this. So last time we had the outside bar on SPY was over here, and we entered short back, I think, on this green or yellow line, one of these lines. And we took this one for 500%. So we gapped down this day and pushed down and then reversed. So this swing we took here was a nice winner. And now we have the same setup here going into this week. So I'm going to be looking to play this outside bar as a swing trade. So I love playing outside bars as swing trades. Very powerful strategy. So let's look for some holy grails. Let's see if there's any. So nothing that I like here. And then let's go look for the nirvanas, see if there's any. So these are my custom scans. Okay. This is a nice one here. Target. So target, there's a big gap to fill on target, guys. So if I go here to the candlestick, very rare, very rare nirvana pattern with a big gap to fill above. Big gap to fill. And if let's look in the past, we've had some nirvanas, kind of similar situation over here, guys, that led to a leg lower. So let's see, if that history repeats itself, or if we can use the breakout and take it back into the gap fill. That's also a good possibility right there. Thoughts on anyone on the 50 and got stopped on the 90? Um, you know, if you want to use a stop loss on the 90%, then that's totally fine. Just understand that sometimes you're gonna get wicked out. So that's just a part of the game. So just keep whichever method you want to use, you keep it consistent, because I like to go below the swing low or swing high in order to make sure that I have enough room. Okay, but you can always re-enter a trade, right? If you want to get back in once you see another confirmation. There was a lot of confirmations. The bundle deal is right here, brother. Tradingwars.com/bundle. Okay, so what else do I want to say? Lifetime giveaway next Sunday. I'll be announcing the winner for the lifetime giveaway. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, because that's one of the main requirements to be eligible for the lifetime giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and fill out this form, which is on my Twitter. Okay, Trading Wars Golden Indicators, I linked it already in the chat. Trading Wars newsletter has been released on YouTube, so please take a read through it. I have some nice picks here for you guys. What else? Trading Wars FAQ. Here's my fib settings. Make sure you take a look at that. And that's pretty much it, guys. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested. Here's the main page if you want to sign up for the room directly right here. And then we have any one of my 3 books, the Fibonacci, SPY, or Stock. You get 1 month for free. Trade with us live tomorrow. Or like I said, for a limited time, we're doing the bundle deal. So guys, thanks again. I'm going to go ahead and start posting some pics on Twitter and in Discord. So I really appreciate your time. It's been a really good day today, and I'm very happy that we're just continuing. This is the 6th green day in a row. So let's see where we can get with this. All right, thanks for your time, my friends. Enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment. Like we do giveaways every Sunday, so if you leave a comment, you have a chance to win the giveaways. All right, thank you. Take care.